Amazon S3 Access Grant, which is a new feature of AWS S3 service, allows you to grant access to your S3 buckets to your Active Directory users. Now, when I say Active Directory, it could be any authentication or authorization service such as Microsoft AD, Azure AD, OneLogin, CyberArk, Okta, and the list goes on and on. Normally, prior to this access grant, if you wanted to allow access to your user, you would normally go through IAM and that sort of stuff. But now you can directly grant access to your Active Directory users or your AD users through this S3 access grant. And let me show you how you can do that. First, log into your AWS account and then go to AWS S3. Once you are there, on the left hand side, click on access grant. Now, in order to use this feature, first you need to create an S3 access grant instance. So click on this orange button, which is S3 access grant instance, and it will open this new screen. Now select your region. I am already in US East North Virginia, which is my personal account and region. But if you are using any other region, go there, but make sure first that this feature is available in that region, because as per my experiment, it's not available in every region at the moment. Then click on next. Now here, if you want to do it for any one bucket or all the buckets, you can specify it. Let's go with all the buckets. So just type S3 colon double slash, and this will make sure that this is for all the S3 buckets. Now you can go with any existing IAM roles or any of the new role which you want to do. Let me choose my existing IAM role. So I have just selected one of the dummy role which I created for this purpose. Then click on next. And now here we need to specify the grant. First you need to specify your bucket name. So I just created this new bucket as a sample, and then all the objects in that bucket, so slash static. And then if you scroll down here, you can grant permission whether you want to give your AD user read permission, write, or both. Let's go with the read. And then here you can specify what do you want to do, if you want to go with a specific user or with a role. So let me select the role here. I have selected the role here, and now click on next. So you can see that it has successfully created my grant access instance. And now all you need to do is to go to this resource access manager console or RAM console and assign your resources to this console. And this is the RAM console where you can first create a resource share. Just give it any name, let's say test, and then you can select the resource type. So for resource type, I'm just going to say S3 and then access grants, and then you can filter it by text, or if you want to do more. Now, because my instance has just been created, it will appear here, and then you can assign various other resources by granting it the whatever resources or S3 buckets you want to assign it, or your AD users. And you would have to, of course, use the directory services in order to present the AD users here, which I don't have, but you can do it easily. Once you have the directory services enabled, that should be appearing here. Now, if you want to um, disable it or delete it, the process is quite simple. Let me scroll down, and on the top right, you can simply delete this instance. So this is it, guys. This is how you can do it. And let me quickly show you a diagram from AWS own video, which shows you the concept behind it. Now let me drag it a bit here. So as you can see on this screen, what is happening here is on the left hand side, we have all of our buckets, and then whatever folder or object we want to give access to, and grantee is any Active Directory user or group, and then the access level is read, write, or whatever you want to do with it. So this is how this access grant work, and this is the whole concept behind it. If you have still any questions or doubts, let me know and I'll be happy to answer. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.